I have a new lead. They just landed in my calendar. What's the first thing that I do? I'm going to show you how I create these custom voice AI demos for these leads in under 5 minutes. The first thing that I do, I go to their website. I copy their URL. That's the only thing I need. I go back to my platform, I select new call flow, and then create from business. I drop that URL in right there and say look up business. Once the business is found, I select continue to voice selection. I always default to Astra, and then I hit generate flow. In a matter of about 2 to 3 minutes, my voice AI agent is built out for me. All that heavy lifting, all the configuration, building out the knowledge base, it's all done for me. It just finished and I can see it right here. So let's click into it and I want to show you guys around. Right off the bat, you can see that I have the full system prompt built out for me. Now, mind you, this is a demo. This is like a version 1, but it's perfect for me because on my meeting later this afternoon, I have a working demo hyper tailored and personalized to that business, to my prospective client. Remember that knowledge base that I said is built out for me? Here it is right here, State Automotive knowledge base. We can take a look and verify that the information that was scraped looks nice. So yes, they are an auto repair shop. Here's their phone number, here's their website, their hours and scheduling. Looks like they're open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and they're closed on weekends. Their service offerings are all spelled out for us. Their service area looks like it's Midvale, Utah. Looks like they specialize in Toyota Land Cruisers and all vehicle makes and models. We have pricing and payment. Intake questions. These are the questions that the voice AI asks each customer that calls in. All of this information was scraped for us and configured. Now I can test it really quick. Over here on the right-hand side, I just click voice right here and start talking to it. See if I want to make any modifications, but 9 times out of 10, it's good to go. What I can do next is go to share demo and then create a link, a shareable link that I can either send to them beforehand or bring with me on the call, on the sales call. I'm just gonna name it State Automotive Demo. If I want, I can go into advanced settings right here. I can set an expiration date to 7 days, 30 days, no expiration date. I can even set a budget if I want to make sure that this agent doesn't get abused. That way my lead doesn't just keep calling it, either themselves or with their whole entire crew, their family, and just blow through and just eat through all of your credits. It's a really cool feature. So the budget that I put for this is about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll just say 15. And then I can confirm and save. And just like that, I have my link that I can copy and bring with me to the discovery call. Pasting it in the browser, this is what it looks like, and it's ready to demo. Let's take it for a spin.
Thank you for calling State Automotive. How can I help you today?
Hey, how's it going? I have some brake issues with my truck.
It's going well, thank you for asking. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble with your brakes. I'll just take down some information so the team is ready when they call you back. Since you mentioned you have brake issues, I have that noted. What is the year, make, and model of your vehicle?
It's a Toyota Tacoma, 2007.
Got it. A 2007 Toyota Tacoma. Are you experiencing any specific symptoms such as unusual noises, warning lights, or performance issues?
My brake light did come on yesterday, actually.
Understood. I've noted that the brake light came on yesterday. Is your vehicle currently drivable or does it require towing?
Yeah, I can drive it.
Great. Thank you for confirming that. Have you visited our shop before for this vehicle?
No, this is my first time. Just like that, we have a working demo. The business owner can talk to it, ask it questions, really start to see the vision and hear it for themselves. It's a huge game changer. I just closed a client this month for $2,000 per year. I made the demo just like I showed you guys today. It took me 5 minutes. And then we hopped on a 30-minute sales call, and 48 hours later, he was a paying client. And fun fact, they were actually missing 10 to 15 calls per day. Now they miss 0. This technology is super valuable. If you want to jump into this space, maybe you're already in this space, you want help building out these agents for your clients, you want a roadmap, you want templates, system prompts, I have the place for you. It's my free AI community, Automate What Academy. The link is over on my page if you want to check it out. You can take a look at the free resources. I have all the resources you need to get started. Oh, and by the way, the tool that I use to build out these voice AI agents for my clients, the platform that I use is called Trillet AI. I hope to see you guys inside.